There it is. Ebenezer County Park. It's a really nice pier that goes all the way out on the lake. There's a beach. Volleyball. A little island out there in the distance.
Boat ramp.
And there's a boat ramp and actually places to do docks. See a few boats out on the water this morning. And there's some of the campsites that are below that overlook the water. Then you go back through a path right there on the right, and that takes you back to the rest of the campground. There's like 68 lots here. Very nice park. Again, that's Ebenezer County Park in Rock Hill, South Carolina. We really enjoyed our time. We're leaving today. We really enjoyed our time here.
Taking a closer view here. I zoomed in and hope it works. GoPro is all new to us. You got a private residence right here with a big wall fence. We'll walk out here towards the... Hi.
This is our first time here, so we're making a video to show our family.
Oh, there you go, cool. It's our first time here too.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
We live here.
Oh.
We're like 5 minutes down the road.
Oh, okay.
Oh my
We're from
gosh.
Ohio.
Oh,
Okay,
well,
cool.
welcome.
Yeah, we're camping.
Awesome. Yeah, it's really nice. They've redone all of this and it's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were here,
Where are you from in Ohio?
Columbus.
Oh, Columbus. Yeah, my brother lives in Marietta.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, so yeah, he's
Yeah, we were here 2-3 years ago, and this wasn't all done yet.
Yeah.
They were in the
pretty cool,
process
though.
of
Yeah,
building
they did a
it.
nice job with that.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's beautiful.
Enjoy your stay, folks.
Thank you. All right, as the path goes on, we're going to go to this, what appears to be a circular pier. In the center of the pier area is a swimming area, beach, and it has actual sand, not that gravelly crap that we have up in Ohio. Let's see if I can get the beach here. Yeah, there it is. Right there's the beach. Lady walking her dog. A lot of people walking their dogs around here. But no crap laying around. Everybody's pretty good about picking up their crap. Got a bunch of these shaded things over the picnic tables. There's quite a few of them around. And then of course your changing room and restroom. And here's that pier. It starts right here, right in front of me, and it goes around to that way and around and around and around and around, and it comes back out there. Yes, you can go fishing off of it.
And there's porch swings and picnic tables on it.
Yep. Yeah, you got porch swings and picnic tables on the pier with canopies.
Beautiful houses all across the lake.
Yep. Let's walk this way, bud. I'm gonna pause this for a minute. Okay, here we go again. Now even the county provides these fancy looking little red chairs for the people that want to be at the beach but not in the direct sunlight. Kind of pretty cool. Never seen anything like this in Ohio. Another restroom area, snack area. In in-season time, it looks like they got a snack bar over there. And then you got a full playground over there for kids. Great big, I keep forgetting what you call those things. What do they call them things when you...
Jungle gym.
Huh?
Jungle gym.
No, this canopy
Oh,
thingy.
pavilion.
A pavilion, that's it. Big old family reunion pavilion. I zoomed in as far as I could. There's an island way out there that everybody seems to take their boat to, and then they kind of beach the boat and go swimming and whatever they want to do. And then this is the other end of the pier. I don't know if it's really called a pier, but that's what I call it, because it's out on the water. Give you another view of it the other way. And right at the bottom of the screen is the beach. Kind of cool. All right, well, we're gonna move on. We got to take off. It's time to go down to Skidway, down in Georgia, outside Savannah. Talk at you then.